Hello everyone, welcome back to CarOg 765, the channel where we celebrate classic cars, legendary trucks, and timeless American machines that still make our hearts race. If you love old school power, solid metal, and vehicles with real character, you are in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to CarOg 765 and turn on the bell so you never miss another classic car story. Today we are talking about a true American icon, the 1987 Chevrolet Blazer. This is not just an SUV, this is a symbol of freedom, adventure, and raw strength from a golden era of American automobiles. The late 1980s were a special time, and the Blazer stood tall as one of the most respected full-size SUVs on the road. The 1987 Chevrolet Blazer instantly grabs attention with its bold and boxy design. This was a time when vehicles were built to look tough, and the Blazer did not pretend to be soft or delicate. The wide front grille, square headlights, and strong stance gave it a commanding presence. Whether it was parked on the street or rolling through mud and gravel, the Blazer looked confident and powerful. The removable hardtop on many models added even more personality, giving drivers the option to enjoy open-air driving long before modern SUVs made it fashionable. Step inside the 1987 Blazer, and you feel like you are sitting in a real truck. The interior was simple, functional, and honest. Big seats, a straightforward dashboard, and controls that were easy to use even with gloves on. This was designed for people who worked hard and played harder. There was plenty of space for passengers and cargo, making it perfect for family trips, camping adventures, or hauling gear. It was not about luxury screens or fancy lights, it was about comfort, durability, and practicality. Under the hood, the 1987 Chevrolet Blazer offered serious muscle. Many buyers chose the legendary 5.7-liter V8 engine, which delivered strong torque and a deep, satisfying engine sound. This was the kind of power you could feel in your chest. Whether you were towing, climbing hills, or driving through rough terrain, the Blazer handled it with confidence. Four-wheel drive options made it a favorite for off-road lovers, hunters, and anyone who needed a vehicle that could handle snow, mud, and dirt without complaining. What really makes the 1987 Blazer special is its body-on-frame construction. This SUV was built like a tank. Thick steel, solid axles, and a strong chassis meant it could take abuse and keep going. That is why even today, many of these Blazers are still alive and running in the United States. They are popular among collectors, off-road builders, and classic car enthusiasts who appreciate old-school engineering. Driving a 1987 Chevrolet Blazer is a completely different experience compared to modern SUVs. You feel connected to the road. The steering is heavy, the suspension is firm, and every bump reminds you that you are driving a real machine. It is not trying to isolate you from the world, it is inviting you to be part of the journey. That feeling is something many car lovers miss today. In American car culture, the Blazer has a special place. It appeared in movies, TV shows, and was a common sight in small towns and big cities alike. Police departments, fire services, and everyday families trusted the Blazer. It represented reliability and strength. For many people, it brings back memories of road trips, outdoor adventures, and simpler times. Today, the 1987 Chevrolet Blazer is considered a classic. In the USA, you can still find well-maintained examples in the used and classic car market. Prices depend on condition, originality, and modifications, but interest in these vehicles is growing. Restored Blazers and clean original models are becoming more valuable each year. Especially as people rediscover the charm of vintage SUVs. The beauty of the 1987 Blazer is that it does not try to impress with technology. It impresses with honesty. It was built to last, built to work, and built to explore. In a world full of plastic and screens, the Blazer reminds us what real driving used to feel like. If you are a fan of classic American SUVs, the 1987 Chevrolet Blazer deserves your respect. It is powerful, bold, and full of character. This is the kind of vehicle that tells a story every time you see it on the road. Thank you for watching this video on CarOg 765. If you enjoyed this classic ride and want more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps keep the passion for classic cars alive. See you in the next video, and until then, keep the engines roaring.